What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and obviously welcome back to your daily JASMY update. Wanted to do a bit of an update because yesterday, overall, I think the situation is still the same, all right? Which is that if you zoom out, JASMY is still very bullish. We just earlier this morning hit the 50 EMA right here, which is usually, we're getting a solid reaction off of that. So that's in general, that's good. Now, if you zoom out, if you zoom in though, excuse me. I think we are not bearish, but I do think we are no longer bullish, all right? Because what you can see is that it seems more like we are forming some sort of a consolidation. And that's already what we talked about yesterday, all right? First of all, if you look at the EMAs, like I said, on the 4-hour time frame, they're still functioning as support. Even though you can see as well that we found support at the 50 EMA, but right now we're actually finding resistance at the 28 EMA. So I'm not necessarily getting worried because we still have, if you look at JASMY, we still have amazing support right here around 3.7 cents. And the situation right now is much more similar to that we are just consolidating here and that we will break out and rally up higher again afterwards than that it is that we're going to crash down here. But the truth is that the markets after Friday have turned a little bit more bearish, all right? So JASMY has reacted quite well to that, but one of the key reasons that JASMY was able to be this bullish is news. It's JASMY itself. It's an amazing community, but it's also the markets. So if the markets turn really bearish here, or turn more bearish here, which is a possibility, we'll see in the next 24 hours. Then the risk of JASMY reversing here and turning bearish as well becomes much more likely as well. So that's something you have to worry about, because if we drop down, and this is why I'm still bullish on JASMY. First of all, we've seen this before, that we consolidate, are even slightly bearish, and that we just jump back up, we get a breakout, and we rally up higher. And apart from that, if you look at JASMY right here, you can see we have massive support at 3.7 and then also massive support at 3.55 cents. So even if we drop down below 3.7 cents on the 1-hour time frame, that would make us bearish. But then we still have a good chance to recover from 3.55, do some sort of a fake out move, and get back into this consolidation range, which we are in right now, between 4.1 cents and 3.7 cents. So I'm not worried too much yet, but I do want you to know that it is possible that we turn bearish here. All right, in the end, if we really do a deep dive into JASMY, what we have seen is that we're forming we have formed a major bearish. Or no, am I lying? No, it's not major, but we have been forming some sort of a bearish divergence with the price and the RSI. So that is in general a reversal pattern. And then we're also losing momentum. And that's kind of the thing I'm worried about most, because every time that JASMY is gaining, every time that JASMY makes new highs, the momentum is very high. And the momentum earlier this morning dropped back down to the levels it was at the 3rd of June. Which is not the worst, but that is the lowest it's been in almost the last week. So yeah, like I said, I still think if you look at the technical situation right now, and if you know JASMY a bit, I still think it's most likely that we will stay bullish or stay relatively neutral in here, and therefore bullish, because if we consolidate here after such a strong uptrend, that's still bullish. So that's what I think is most likely, but I do want you to know that if there's basically two things, that if those things happen, then my mind will change. And that's first of all, if Bitcoin drops down below 69,000 in the next 24 hours. And second of all, if JASMY drops down below 3.7 cents, then I will start to get slightly worried. I will keep you updated on that, all right? So don't worry too much about that yet. But if that happens, those are two bearish confirmations you cannot really ignore. So for now, still good, still neutral, still bullish overall, but no of the possibilities, all right? So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.